Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious no-yeast cinnamon rolls. First, gather your dry ingredients: 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Whisk these together in a large bowl. Next, cut in 6 tablespoons of cold, unsalted butter until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Finally, stir in 3/4 cup of milk until a soft dough forms. Now for the irresistible filling. On a lightly floured surface, roll your dough into a rectangle approximately 12 inches by 9 inches. Ensure the thickness is even. Next, spread 4 tablespoons of softened, unsalted butter across the entire surface of the dough, leaving a small border on one long edge. Then, generously sprinkle a mixture of 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar and 2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon over the butter. It's time to shape and bake your rolls. Carefully roll the dough tightly from the long edge, creating a log. Use a sharp knife or unflavored dental floss to cut the log into 12 equal pieces, each about 1 inch thick. Arrange these rolls in a greased 9-inch round baking pan. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown. The final touch is a luscious cream cheese glaze. In a small bowl, whisk together 4 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1 cup of powdered sugar, and 2 tablespoons of milk until smooth. Stir in 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract for extra flavor. Once your cinnamon rolls are slightly cooled but still warm, generously drizzle this creamy glaze over them. Enjoy your homemade, yeast-free treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.